Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the marketplace on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Just click to the first of all, go to the lower bar and you can find the fourth option, the store. Click that, and here you can find different option. For example, sample journals, covers, templates and others, and you can buy it and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.